Building with Papa. Okay, I'm going to show you how we install a heavy-duty cylindrical lock set. This is going to go on about 15 doors, and I'm teaching Tyson how to install them. I'm going to show him on the first one, and then he's going to do the rest. All right, I hope you enjoy this video. Here is the door schedule, which shows all the different hardware. Each door is numbered, and that's the particular hardware that has to go to that door. This is the drawing I gave him, and he took each door, the number of each door, laid out the hardware for that door, and then installed them. His first time ever installing hardware. Okay.
Which part of it? Just take the hood.
Yes. Take that cap off. Turn it so it slides out.
Which way?
So now, let's go ahead, and your first piece that's going to go in is the larger piece, and then this you need for the back side. Take your screws with you. Now we already put the bolt in, so your first thing you want to do is line up that with the bolt, okay? And that needs to slide in. So go ahead and put that on the ground, put that on the floor so you get this lined up. And you made sure it's in the grooves, right? How you know it's in there is that you turn it and this moves. If it doesn't move, it's not in there. Okay, pull it back out, and you more than likely, okay, you're gonna have to push that in and slide that in. Is it in it now?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. That's how you know you got it in. Okay? You have the holes top and bottom so they line up with the pegs. Get a screw started by your hand.
Gold ones?
Yes. You turn it left, you need to turn it right. Right is tightening. Okay, put the other screw in, start it, just so you know you're in both pegs. What was the difference between that one you have right now and the top one?
Is the other one just went straight in?
Straighter? No, you started
Oh.
screwing.
It went in straighter, so I started screwing later.
What you can do is you can slide this further back. Okay, get your screw in. Slide it into the hole. Feel it.
Maybe it's not going in.
And finish tightening those up. Don't over tighten. Okay, now check the handle. Make sure everything's still operating smoothly, freely. Okay, let's get the rest of the lock put together. Okay, will that door shut well like that? Look what you're doing with the handle. Okay, try the lock. What's happening? Okay, see how it locks anybody from coming in, but you can turn it and it unlocks. Okay, now try closing the door. Okay, open the door. Beautiful, your first lock. Okay, we're gonna go to the next one. Okay. Okay, it's all in there, right into the groove. Feel good? Okay. All right, let's get the rest. Okay, check everything again. Check the other side before you close it. Everything working? Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, so Tyson's been putting these locks on by himself. I just showed him on one, watched him do one by himself, And I left him here today, and he's been putting them all on. He's done a really good job. Laying them out. Each box has a number to the door. And then you have to put that lock on that door. The way the drawings show. Okay, building with Papa. Tyson did a really good job. His first time installing this type of a lock. And I just showed him how to do one, and he worked on the rest. He did them all on his own. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need to install this type of a lock system, check it out. It's not difficult, but you do need to follow the step-by-step. All right. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one.